Okay, so you know those shows where they have the nice clean kitchens and all the fancy equipment? This is not that show. What I'm going to show you how to make today is just a simple gluten-free, dairy-free, egg-free drop biscuit recipe that my family really likes, and it's really good. So, here I have the flour. Oh, I have this nice KitchenAid mixer too, and that helps stir things. So I'm going to put the dry ingredients together first. So I have the flour and this flour mix. I'll put the link below of what I use. We grind our own flour and then do our own mix, but you can do like Bob's Red Mill 1-to-1 or use whatever gluten-free baking mix you like most. Next to this is the baking soda, baking powder together. Just putting all the dry ingredients. This is coconut sugar. Oh wait, no. This is the baking soda and the salt. This was the tapioca flour, and you can also use arrowroot starch or cornstarch, but I don't think that's very healthy personally. And that's salt and baking soda and baking powder. Then we're just going to mix this together really quickly. Mix all the ingredients. And then this is coconut oil. And I'm going to mix it up. I forgot to plug it in. Okay, when we're done, it should just have a sandy texture. And here's another little extra ingredient I like to put in. This is dried rosemary. I also like dried thyme. That is really good. Sorry, I'm hardly Vanna White. Okay. I'm gonna make sure there's not any big chunks of coconut oil. So, should look like this, sort of sandy. And then next, this is about 2 cups coconut milk or another dairy milk alternative, or even if you can put in normal milk and the vinegar. Just sort of mix them together. Sorry for the poor man's roller coaster. And I'm gonna see if this is coming together. Still too much flour in the bottom. Okay, I think that this is it's a pretty good texture if you can kind of see. It's not too dry, not too wet. Okay. And yeah, an ice cream scoop. Should be about that big or so. And I am making a little batch here because this is for my entire family. I have a big family, so. Flatten them out a little bit. I think it's very smart to use parchment paper with this recipe. Okay, so I'm going to go in the oven like this. These are kind of purpley because I had some black rice flour that I used up in my baking. I'm going to go in the oven. See these? Okay. And I will put in the other one momentarily. So these go on 400 degrees for about 8 minutes, and then I switch it again and run it another 8 minutes. Okay, so the timer has gone off. So let's see. Okay. And it definitely sound kind of crunchy. I think it could go in a couple minutes more. Okay, and so the best part of it is just eating it. That's a pretty good texture. I like to eat it with honey. So. good.